There has been a breach. I feel bad for them. There's only two beaver that I can tell. So much for them to do. And remember, like, it wasn't that long ago, we were almost at the bottom here because of a drought. And now their cup runneth over. And this was you know, the shoreline was on the other side of here not too long ago. Incredible. The size of the logs they're bringing in for this project here. That that's some shit I would do. You're supposed to be better than me. They can't. Oh man, they couldn't get either of those trees, huh?